A triangle has 3 equal sides, each of length 14. What is the perimeter of the triangle? All right, when you have a geometry problem, but there's no picture drawn, guess what? The first step is usually draw the picture and try to represent all the information visually. Please do that on your paper right now. We're talking about a triangle with 3 equal side lengths. I'm going to draw that triangle right here. And since I have this lovely computer program, I can make it look pretty darn good. But try to draw the best picture you can of a triangle with 3 equal side lengths. Okay, now let's look at the information again and make it as visual as possible. It says each side length is 14. Okay, well, I guess this side length is 14, and this side length is 14, and this side length is also 14. So once again, we're just taking the information from the problem, we're putting it on the page and making it as visual as we can. Now the question, what is the perimeter of the triangle? Okay, well, here's where we have to know the word perimeter. You remember what perimeter is? Perimeter means adding up all of the side lengths to get the total distance around a particular figure. So for example, I'm going to say this length is 14, and I'm going to have to add that to this length, which is 14, and add that to this length, which is 14, to get the perimeter. So the perimeter should really be 14 plus 14 plus another 14. Now, that's the same thing as doing 14 times 3, so rather than doing the addition, let's actually think of this as 14 times 3, and let's do the multiplication together. 14 times 3. Well, 3 times 4, that's 12. So I'll put the 2 down here, and I'll carry the 1 above. 3 times 1, that's 3, plus another 1, that's a 4. So 14 times 3 is really 42, which I would also get by adding them, but the multiplication is helpful here. So the perimeter of this triangle is therefore 42 units. That means the answer here is E. And if you got that, good thinking.